Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F14 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this Samsung. First of all, go into Tap menu. Now look for location shortcut and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by choosing the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can always go into settings instead, scroll down and look for location section. Then manage it thanks to this switcher, and this way, disable or enable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!